shape up, parrot! Damn it, I said say something! You better get it together and say some fucking words, parrot! Your head of Polly wants a cracker? Well, Polly's gonna get a can crammed up his ass if he don't start talking. I mean now, parrot! And you wanna know something else, goddammit? I'm gonna shove a fucking arm, a hand on your throat! If you don't stay, I'm gonna rip your fucking vocal cords out! And you'll never say anything! How's that, parrot?